Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. How to manage virus scan in Avira. So how to manage a virus scan in Avira? In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do that. It's very helpful if you want to scan everything on your PC, or if you just want an exact file to scan and not scan everything and be found as everything is a threat in your Avira. So this video is for you. So the first thing you need to do is open up your Avira. Once your Avira is opened up, click on the top right settings icon right here, as you can see, and click on that. After clicking on that, you'll be located to General and Language and Preference. Once you're here, click on Security. After clicking on Security, you will be directed to Virus Scan. So now you'll be able to manage your virus scan right here. For example, you see right now, scan recommended file types only. So we can just click on Scan all files. After clicking on that, every file when we try to scan will be automatically scanned. As you can see right here, we can choose which kind of archives to include, like mailbox, and this image format. So right now we don't need to check any of those, but you can just turn it off if you don't want to, and you can just turn it on if you want to, but not any of these two. All right, so there you go. And a little bit of tip for you guys, you can also make an exclusive file not to be scanned. For example, you have a file that's, you know that there's a little bit of something or like a virus, but not that virusy that you can are spread, but you can contain it. You can just click on, go down here, there we go. File in this list won't be scanned for virus. Then click exclude file and check a file. For example, you this one. That's good Unity, then open it up. After opening it up, then just click on that. And just there you go. It will be added to the excluded file, and it won't be scanned for any virus. So yeah, and there you go, guys. I hope you guys learned something. I hope you guys enjoy. Thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.